Hell, seen them niggas that claim they hard, claim they from the hood, but never even been to them. That shit be tripping me out, man. Watch some of the damn videos. For real. Have you ever seen that nigga talking about he fucking hard, but never seen the damn bricks? Never even pulled a car. He in the damn suburbs with money and shit with the chickens. He coming in the bricks like he is finna kick it. When them niggas see it really fake, watch how they lay him down. Pull his car, lay his ass off in that concrete just for acting like he hard. That nigga ain't seen shit. This nigga got cars and shit. This motherfucker never knew what it's like to even struggle with shit. This nigga bitching and complaining, whining cause he got money, whining cause they talking about I wanna know what it's like to be real. Motherfucker, live your life and we trying to get up out of this ordeal. And you wanna come where we at? Is this for real? You wanna come down here where we at? We tryna leave this bitch. You wanna come down here where we at? Quit playing, nigga. You really playing. Shit like that get you killed, nigga. You wanna come where we at? We tryna leave this bitch. And you wanna come down where we at? You playing. Man, this nigga here, he playing. Born and raised up in the bricks, wondering where your next meal gonna come from. You starving and shit. Bologna, rice, and salmon is your fucking meal every motherfucking day. While your ass up in the suburbs, parlaying and shit. You wanna come up in the bricks so you can show off all your shit. And don't be surprised when you get robbed up in this bitch. Y'all niggas looking at videos thinking that's what it is. Not realizing this shit that we living, this shit is real. You can get killed. Come up in this bitch riding your Escalades and think a nigga won't approach you and take all your shit away. And you looking like, damn, why they acting like it? Cause you acting fucking fake. You ain't from here, so get about this bitch complain. Come up in these bricks you never even been. You tryna come around acting like you hard. That type of shit'll make a nigga pull your card. That's for real, motherfucker. Acting like you hard, you ain't got no heart, you ain't got no balls, bitch. You quit playing, nigga. Walking around paying sad and shit, big ass shirts and shit. You look like a fucking girl, bitch. Okay, you walking like you got it, cause you got a gun. That don't make you hard, that make you a fucking dunce, fucking slum ass nigga. You ain't seen shit, bitch ass nigga. Get the fuck up out of here before they pull them triggers. You wanna act like you hard, nigga? Fuck the dumb shit. You just a dumb bitch out there and seen too many videos. Think that's what it is. Came to the P's and got laid out quick. Chalk around your body, yellow tape around your perimeter. You can't believe you gone. You looking down on your body. It's like, man, this nigga getting gone. Just cause he was in this shit, hear the same songs. Cause he thought the shit was really going on.